you today? I'm good too. What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, what is the day tomorrow? Alright. Today, before we begin our class, I have here a hidden picture. So, yeah, we're gonna have a game. So, to unveil the hidden picture, we're gonna open the boxes one by one. If you have the clue, you can raise your hand and tell me what is hidden behind the boxes. Okay? Now, teacher is going to open the blue box. Do you have any idea what is behind the boxes? Okay? Don't tell it yet. So, Kitty Sean has an idea. Let's open the yellow box. The red box. Okay, now I think you guys have an idea of what is behind the picture. No, you have to raise your hand and I'm gonna call you. What is behind the boxes? Tanari, what is it? Do you have the same idea as Tanari? What is it? A garden. Someone said it's a park. Someone said it's a garden. How about not a park? It's a park. Let's see if it's a park. Who said it's a park? Raise your hands. Okay, let's see. Very good. It's a park. Everybody, can you spell the word park? Very good. It's a park. Next. How about this one? Let's open. Which box do you like to open? Red. Okay. Let's open the red boxes. Raise your hands and I will call you. Okay. Now, do you have an idea what's behind the boxes? Okay, Tapisha. Is it a supermarket? Do you have the same idea as Tanpisha?
Me, supermarket.
Is it a supermarket? Do you agree it's a supermarket?
Yes.
Let's see if it's a supermarket. Yes, it's a supermarket. Everybody spell the word supermarket. Very good. It's a supermarket. Next one. What is it? It's a zoo. Very good. It is a, everybody spell the word zoo. Again? Okay. Z O or Z O. Now, let's try to watch a video. Wait a second. Oh yeah, you're right.
There's a palace in my town, and a shopping center. There's a university. There's lots to do and see. There are cafes and restaurants, and a museum too. Let's go to the cinema. Welcome to my town. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the library. Come and read a book with me. Let's go to the station and see the train.